How to use green screen on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. At the bottom, you'll find plus button. Click on plus button, which is beside friends and inbox. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find effects in the circle. Simply swipe effect. Then click on view all effects at the bottom. After you click on view all effects, scroll all the options to the left and you will find editing. Click on editing and you'll find different kind of green screens filter. Click on one, upload a photo and then continue with filming your TikTok video. And this is how to use green screen on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.